A good climate is crucial for comfort in rooms. In order to be able to carry out an objective evaluation, we will show you how to use the universal IAQ instrument Testo 400 to carry out a comfort measurement. Once the Testo 400 has been set up with the tripod and the necessary probes, select Comfort Level PMV PPD in the main menu under Measure. You can now configure the measurement and enter all relevant parameters. We start manually and measure every second for 3 minutes. The preset values are suitable for clothing and activity. Now take over the configuration and the measurement can start. It stops automatically after 3 minutes. Very important, save the measurement before you begin creating the report. To do this, a previously stored customer is first selected. What's very useful is the Testo 400 has an integrated camera. You can use it to take photos of the measurement location and of the measurement equipment setup for your documentation. The Testo 400 shows the measurement results as mean values and as a graph. The report is now created as a PDF. Finally, you can send it as an email directly on site.